Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the lift supports on this 2007 Chrysler Town Country. If this video is helpful, can you just smash the thumbs up button? Helps me out a lot. First thing we're going to do, get something to prop up the hatch. Higher the better. Alright, the next thing we're going to do here is break loose these Torx bolts here. It is a T40. And we're gonna break loose this one and this one right here. So once you take one all the way off, if they work at all and your trunk isn't lifted up as far as it'll go, these will shoot out. So if you're not sure that these are dead, you want this trunk lid to be lifted up as high as possible. Alright, this is how you know these things are dead. If you can push them in and they don't push themselves back out, they are toast. I'm going to have a link in the description below where you can get these on Amazon. You don't have to use my link, but if you do, it helps me out a little bit. Alright, at this point, it's just putting the new ones on. They are really strong, so it's better put one side on and then either have somebody lift your trunk all the way up or have something to hold it up for you. That way, when it's all the way extended, you can put it into the hole, line the hole up. If this video is helpful to you, can you just smash that thumbs up button? Helps me out a lot, and have a good one.